making some biscuits to go with my barbecue meatballs. I was gonna make some dinner rolls, but I ran out of eggs. So this is a good alternative when you don't have eggs to make some biscuits. Okay. Get all mixed around. All right. Then you can use margarine or butter or shortening. I'm using shortening because I need to get it used up. It also makes my biscuits fluffier. Okay, I need to make this like my grandma. So this is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1 on page 116. I need to make my grandma's, my great grandma's recipe. Because what she used to do, she just used to have a big bowl of flour. So I'm just mixing in the shortening now, just by getting it all declumpified. And she would do a great big do a great big bowl and just leave the flour all week in there and just keep adding milk in the center. And I'm gonna have to try that sometime and see. She did use buttermilk, which this is Mike's baking powder biscuits, so I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar to my milk to make it sour. Okay, a little bit of milk, and it's gonna sour my milk for me. Just give it just a minute to get soured. Okay. All right, and there we go. Yeah, so biscuits are a great alternative when you don't have eggs, and a good depression recipe. Okay. Wow, got that pretty close. Don't even need to flour my counter because I got it so close. Perfect. Okay. Okay, just for fun, I'm going to use this square biscuit cutter. Just thought it would be fun. And I'm making extra large biscuits this time. And there's the pheasant saying that he's ready for dinner. And here's the dog biscuit. Oops. I'm going to throw those in the oven to bake with my barbecue meatballs. And here are the biscuits. Yum.
Which biscuit recipe was this, dear?
It was yours.
Oh, well, that's good.
You knew they were darn
I still like them. They're darn doing good.